Welcome to House Talk USA. Today, we're breaking down how real estate works in the United States in the simplest, clearest way possible. What is real estate? In the USA, real estate is divided into two main types: residential houses, apartments, condos, townhomes, commercial offices, shops, hotels, warehouses. Most beginners focus on residential, so that's where we'll start. Renting versus buying. In the US, you can either rent a home or buy one. Renting is flexible, you pay monthly, follow the landlord's rules, and move easily. Buying builds long-term wealth, you pay a mortgage, taxes, and insurance, but the property becomes yours. How the buying process works. Buying a home in the USA follows a clear step-by-step system. 1. Check your credit score. Our credit score affects loan approval and interest rates. A score above 700 is ideal. 2. Get PRE approved before house hunting. A bank gives you a PRE approval letter. It tells sellers you're financially ready to buy. 3. Work with a real estate agent. Viewers usually don't pay for the agent. The seller covers the commission. Agents help you find homes, negotiate, and manage paperwork. 4. Make an offer. When you find a home, your agent submits an offer with price, timeline, and conditions called contingencies. These protect you if something goes wrong. 5. Inspection and appraisal. A certified inspector checks the home for issues like leaks, roof damage, or electrical problems. Then, the bank orders an appraisal to confirm the home's value. 6. Closing. This is the final step. You sign documents, pay closing costs, and receive the keys. You are now the owner. Understanding mortgages. A mortgage is simply a loan to buy property. Common loan types include conventional standard FHA, good for beginners, VA for veterans, USDA for rural areas. Your monthly payment includes the loan, interest, property taxes, and insurance. Property taxes. And however, a homeowner pays property taxes, which fund schools, roads, and public services. Some neighborhoods have an HOA, a fee for community maintenance and rules. Final thoughts. Real estate in the USA may seem complicated, but once you understand the steps, it becomes a clear and structured process. With the right knowledge, anyone can navigate buying or renting confidently. Thanks for watching House Talk USA. Subscribe for more simple and professional real estate guides.